Mammy's hero, morning in the aerodrome. The weather